Hey guys, welcome to Louth Model Car Club. We are here for their summer series. It's round 4. I'll just wait for this.
1, 2, 4.
We're here for their round 6, which is their last round of their summer series before they kick off their winter championship. They also do a Saturday night club night. But yeah, here today running the Team Associated TC8. We're 2 rounds in. I broke it in round 1, just clipped the barrier and broke a hub. Got it out for round 2, and I think I went second in round. The online score hasn't updated, but pretty confident that I was second in round 2, which is really good going. We'll be out for round 3 very shortly, so I'll see you again once that's done.
2, 5, 3, 1, 4.
Okay, so there's the first 2 minutes of qualifying 3. I was lucky to do decent in qualifying 2 and start first at the front of the field. Previously in Q1 with that breakage in the rear hub, I'd start 4th in the pack. So it just gave me a little bit to get through, but yeah, Q3 that we just watched there, pretty decent, no red laps. Got the fastest lap down in on the second lap there. As you can see, and yeah, no complaints from the car. I didn't really touch it all day. Obviously just slung it on this setup station once I did that bump, just to make sure that everything was pointing in the direction it was supposed to, and all the alignments were as they were supposed to. But yeah, so here we go, straight into Q4. Q4 was a little bit scrappy. We had that roll there where I bumped the apex. But that was pretty much a carbon copy of what happened in Q1. Although in this one I rolled, in Q1 I bumped that apex and stayed on my wheels, but bashed into the same bit of track on the perimeter of there. But yeah, that's Q4, and we'll be lining up for the final after Q4. The final was pretty uneventful really. The car was a little bit squirrely on the first lap or 2. I think on the first lap you see the back end kick a little bit on the close straight that's near the rostrum there, but it was quickly got under control and settled down into getting the laps in there. I didn't feel like James behind me was getting close enough that I had to start thinking about defending, which was grateful on my part. He was slightly quicker over a single lap to me. I didn't feel like I could pull away at any point, so yeah, it was a good race. Yeah, not a lot more to say really. It was a shame that James went mechanical towards the end of the race and it just left me to finish out those 5 minutes on my own. But yeah, all in all, really good day. No complaints. Really enjoyed the carpet. You can see there, and you can see the black lines starting to appear from additive and tyres going down. But yeah, the grip level was consistent. I found on the Rush 30 tyres that straight away from the practice the car was good. Didn't feel like you had no grip in the practice and then loads of grip in round one. It was pretty consistent throughout the day for me. So looking forward to returning to Louth for more races. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you do, just hit that thumb below. It really helps promote the channel to other people that enjoy RC racing on YouTube. Make sure that they see the videos that you like if you drop that like, and if you're not subscribed, I really appreciate it if you could join my list of subscribers. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you'll join me for the next one.
Oh, why is mine clicking?
Also, if you're interested in the setup for this car, it is at the end of the video. It's available on screen for about 10 seconds. So if you pause the video there, you'll be able to study that. And I'll see if I can link it in the description as well, and then you'll just be able to download it and print it off.
The running order at 2 minutes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where am I going? It's funny how you follow the person, isn't it? Even when they crash.
The running order at 4 minutes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you.
Three, 5, 1, 2, race over. The finishing order is 1, 2, 3, 5, 4,